Want to publish journals on Amazon without any investment and don't know how to upload your cover or manuscript to Amazon KDP? Then this video is for you. In this tutorial, you will learn how to upload and publish your own book or journal in just a few minutes. Hey there, welcome back to Guideoladge. If you're new here, this is your go-to channel for everything related to digital marketing, making money online, and building your online business. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss any updates. Before we begin, if you want to publish your own book or journal on Amazon, you will first need to create the cover and manuscript. We covered these steps in previous videos, so if you haven't watched them yet, I recommend checking them out first. That way, you will learn how to create your cover and manuscript before uploading them to Amazon and start earning. Without further delay, let's get started. After creating your cover and manuscript, head over to kdp.amazon.com where you will see your dashboard. If you don't have an Amazon KDP account yet, you will need to create one. If you're interested in a step-by-step video on how to join KDP, let me know in the comments. Once you are in, click on the Create button to start the publishing process. Select the type of the book you're publishing. Since this is a paperback journal, so I will choose paperback. A new page will open where you will need to fill in your book's details. The language should be English, but you can also choose any other language you prefer. Enter your book's title here. My journal is titled Telereflection. You can add a subtitle or leave it blank. I have already prepared mine, so I will just copy and paste it here. If necessary, make some changes as required. If your journal is part of a series or a specific edition, fill those in. Since mine isn't, I will leave this blank. In the author part, add your name or pen name or any publication name. It depends on you. I will use my name here. In the description section, provide a brief overview of your journal so potential buyers can understand what it's about. I have already prepared my description, so I will copy and paste it here. Don't forget to highlight important points by bolding them to grab attention. Always select the first option. I own the copyright and hold the necessary publishing rights. Does the book's cover or interior contain sexually explicit images or language? For my journal, it's a no. I will leave the age range as it is because my journal is suitable for all ages, specifically targeting women. The primary marketplace should always be set to Amazon.com. For categories, choose self-help and the subcategory journal writing. You can add up to 3 categories, but I will stick with one for now. Since my journal is a low content book, I will select this option. If your journal has more content, you can skip this. Now, it's time to enter your keywords. Keywords are phrases that customers use to find your book on Amazon. You can add up to 7 keywords that highlight your book's unique traits. Okay, now I'm just copy and paste my keywords here, one by one. You can skip the publication date and release date sections unless you want to schedule a future release. Now, save and continue. It will take a moment to save all the information of the book. For the ISBN, leave it as it is and let Amazon assign one for you. I will choose black and white with white paper, but you can select other options depending on your needs. My journal is 6 into 9 inches, so I will select that. If you're using a different size, be sure to adjust this setting. Bleed setting. Since I have created a manuscript with bleed, I will select the with bleed option. I'm choosing the matte, though the difference between matte and glossy is minimal. Now it's time to upload the manuscript. Click on Upload Manuscript and select your journal's file. It may take a moment to upload. Now you can see it's successfully uploaded here. Next, upload your cover. I have already designed mine using Canva, so I will simply upload the PDF here. If you don't have a barcode, leave it blank. For AI generated content, I will select no as my journal was created manually using Canva. Now, launch the book previewer to see how your journal will look once printed and shipped. It may take a few moments to load. I have made some small changes to the manuscript as I thought I should. So, if everything looks good, click Approve. Here, you can see that my journal will cost $2.44 to print, which is quite reasonable. Let's move on. For territories, leave it as worldwide rights and make sure the primary marketplace is set to Amazon.com. For pricing, you can set your price between $4 and $250. I put the $5 here, which will earn me 0.56 cents in royalties. If I price it at $6, I will earn $1.16 in royalties, which is quite good. You can see Amazon will automatically calculate prices for other marketplaces. Once you have completed all the steps, click Publish your paperback book. And you're done. Your journal will be available on Amazon within 72 hours. That's how you can publish a paperback journal on Amazon KDP. Start creating your journals today and begin earning money by selling them on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep crafting and keep hustling.